And a good day to everybody. J7409 here with you with the weather today. Things have quieted down some now overnight, but boy, oh boy, yesterday, Paducah, Kentucky had tornadoes going off. I mean, we've had heavy snow. We've had just a real mess of a weather week with severe weather, including severe thunderstorms, tornadoes, and heavy snow and ice. But it's looking like things are going to clear up for a little bit anyway. This map you're looking at is the NDFD graphic map, and this is what it's looking like today through Sunday. Now, is any hazards coming up? Well, what you should expect is heavy rain across portions of the southeast, Tuesday through Wednesday, okay? And flooding's the real big issue across a lot of the U.S., especially across portions of the Central Plains, the Northern Plains, the Tennessee Valley, the Great Lakes, the Middle Mississippi Valley, the Upper Mississippi Valley, and the Southern Plains area, along with the Ohio Valley. Now, flooding occurring or imminent across portions of the Central Plains, the Middle Mississippi Valley, the Lower Mississippi Valley, the Ohio Valley, and Tennessee Valley. So it's a lot of flooding going on. Also, we do have this chance of flooding that's more than likely across portions of the Central Plains, the Middle Mississippi Valley, the Great Lakes, the Upper Mississippi Valley, and the Northern Plains. We have much below normal temperatures that's going to be happening coming up the 17th through the 18th across portions of the Southern Plains. That's Sunday and Monday. Other than that, a lot of people are going to have clear skies. Most of the rain's going to be happening in Florida. Now, if you're on the East Coast, we do have a chance of some rain. As you can see right now, it's gone through. For today, I have a chance of maybe some heavy downpours later tonight for the most part. And the temperatures right now on the East Coast are very warm, from at least right up in this area all the way down. Very, very warm. Everybody will see a big difference. Right here on my coast, I may hit 80 today, but tomorrow I'll be lucky if I see 58. It's going to drop like a cinder block you throw off of a building. That's what the temperatures are going to do, because we have this cold front coming through. But this is a look of what is going on today through Sunday right now, and what hazards may be coming up next week. We'll take a quick peek at the watches and warning map from the National Weather Service. Looking real good. Can you believe it? I haven't seen it this clear for a long, long time for everyone. The only thing up here is flooding. Flooding. We do have that little chance of maybe some snow up in northern Michigan, a few counties in northern Michigan, and also here in Colorado. They don't need any more snow because they've had so much so many problems with very severe avalanches happening in the past few weeks. They don't need the snow here. But other than that, we've got flood watches up in Wisconsin and a little section of Minnesota right in here. Other than that, all of this light green is flood advisories and well, I don't see any flood warnings except just a few here still in central Nebraska, right in this area where you see those little red dots. But other than that, this right here, of course, is a wind watch. We're going to have some winds on the coast today, off and on, as the system pushes on out. But other than that, it's looking like pretty good weather for a lot. So I hope you get out and enjoy your weekend. And here we have the NAM 12K map, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. Going to turn it on, and it's looking so good for so many. Now, this big old nasty low pressure system, which this past week has brought blizzard conditions, heavy rain, and severe weather to parts of the plains and the Midwest this week, has finally pushed well into Canada this morning. Now, showers and thunderstorms along with the attendant cold front as it passes through the east today are likely with showers also lingering along the Gulf Coast and Florida into Sunday. Another warm day is in store for the east, but temperatures are forecast to return to near or below normal values this weekend following the cold frontal passage. Yes, it's going to get chilly in the east again. Now, the gusty winds, they may continue into today across parts of the Ohio Valley and the Great Lakes, but nothing like they have been, but still very gusty. Mainly light rain and snow showers are also possible through Saturday as another weaker cold front passes through. Not this big nasty one, it's off in Canada now. Now, we do have moderate to major river flooding for parts of the Mississippi and Missouri River valleys. You're also going to see this flooding. It may be persistent into the weekend. The weather elsewhere across the country should be rather quiet through this weekend with temperatures near or below normal for most. The biggest temperature departures from normal are forecast to be across the southern plains and the lower Mississippi Valley, where daytime highs today and tomorrow could be 10 to 20 degrees plus below normal. Now, temperatures for the West Coast states should hover near or just above average for this time of the year. So things are looking much better for many, many, many. We just got to get this second system off the coast. We're not going to have to deal with the real nasty one. As you can see, it has moved up and it's moving on out. Here it is right here, going away. So enjoy your weekend, folks. Now, some still might get a little snow. It shouldn't be heavy or anything. And some will get some rain. And if you're right on the East Coast over here, we're going to get some gusty winds now and then, but nothing like what have been with high-end tropical storm and low-end hurricane winds that have occurred this week. And the systems, these folks are already cooler. We've just got to cool up here. I don't see where it's going to be very traumatic with tornadoes popping out. One might pop out if you're right on the East Coast, but right now, let's keep our fingers crossed and hope that don't happen. Looking much, much better. I'm glad to bring this forecast to you today. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, check off the email notifications. Thank you for watching and the comments and all the thumbs up. I appreciate it so, so very much. Everybody, take care. Have a safe day, a blessed day. Have a great weekend. Peace, love, and kindness to all. Thanks for watching.